Did you know that one of the earliest photos of a Native American with a wolf highlights a profound bond? This late 19th century image showcases a time when wolves were seen as symbols of loyalty, courage, and wisdom, rather than as threats. In many Native cultures, wolves were respected spirit guides and partners in navigating a tough world. As the frontier changed, these moments faded, making such photos priceless connections to a lifestyle rooted in harmony with nature. They remind us of a time when coexistence was key to survival and cultural identity.